Guys, I'm here doing a Dlivrd order today, and I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process that Dlivrd has you follow when you're completing these orders. Start off by turning on the Dlivrd app and toggling over that we're on duty. We need to check the date and time. A way to do this is to click the top of the screen drop down by the month. It will drop down the days of the month, and there will be a green dot on your month calendar. Click on that date, select view orders, and then you'll be able to see the pickup time, the restaurant, the address, as well as the customer's information. We need to take note of the pickup time, and we want to arrive 10 minutes before the pickup time. Also, we need to be aware that Dlivrd will send you a notification 1 hour before your actual pickup time to double check that you're available to take this order. When they send you this, they only give you 10 to 15 minutes to respond, and you need to respond to the text message responding yes, you are available. Otherwise, they will take this order away from you, and if you are a brand new driver, they will take you off of the platform the first order you receive if you do not respond. Ready to go to the order? Please arrive 10 to 15 minutes early. Find the manager or person in charge of this ezCater order. Discuss with them the ezCater number and customer name and special pickup instructions. Also, you want to go over the items with the manager or person in charge to ensure that everything is included into the order, including utensils, serving utensils, sternos, matches if you need a light sterno to keep food warm, as well as pans and chafing dishes to be able to keep things warm if those things are needed.
Slide the toggle switch to the right to start your order.
Arrived here at the restaurant. We're going to walk in and talk to the manager on duty to inform them that we're here for the ezCater order. We always want to let them know the number and the customer name.
Take in your catering bags to load the food to keep it warm.
Tip I have is to let them know that you have your catering bags available to start loading the food, which makes things more efficient for you, as well as keeping the food warm and in better condition for the customer.
Once the items are in the bags, please take a photo and upload it to the Dlivrd app. Once the photo is uploaded, slide the toggle to the right. The next screen displays the delivery time, customer's information, and text and phone functions to reach out to the customer.
Showed up 15 minutes early. We checked in with the manager. Everything is loaded and in the car, and it's 10:30, which is actually our depart time, which is perfect. Got the food in the car now, guys. We're headed to the customer, so we're going to want to contact them either via text or phone call to let them know your estimated time of arrival. We've arrived at the customer. Let's walk in and let them know we're here and ask them the best method to bring in the food. Sometimes there's a back door by the break room. Sometimes the front door is the only way to go. So just let them know you can pull around to the side or the back, or if you need to come through the front door, that works too. A lot of times it's good to ask if they have a cart that you could bring in the food so things are more efficient and you can get the things into the break room set up quicker.
Go ahead and get everything set up in a real professional looking manner, nice and clean and organized. Go ahead and take a photo and upload it to the app and slide the toggle over to the right to be successful. Now you're complete. Move on with your day.
We got everything set up for the customer, guys. Everything went well. Customer actually helped me set that one up. Sometimes that will happen where the customer helps you set it up. Sometimes they don't want you to set it up, and sometimes they want you to do the complete setup. So either way, go through the setup, take a photo, upload the photo to the Dlivrd app, click complete, and move on with your day. If you found this video helpful, click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to start putting up more videos like this for you guys to learn about Dlivrd. Thanks for watching.